All right, welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and I am Stitch. So this is the next part on the Element Enduro rig. So got the electronics installed, and with them being installed, it seems like everything went together really smooth. So we got the Holmes Hobby. See right there, we got the Holmes Hobby crawler motor. We've got the MKS servo mounted, and I got the receiver mounted in there, and it made it up pretty good. I got an aluminum, you can see it, a steering servo horn right there. See if you guys can see it right there. So we got that. And we're going to, we'll do a little bench run back and forth so you guys can see it here in a minute with the Ovonix 4500 3S battery. But I wanted to kind of show you, I did some loom work, and you guys can see right here, it is pretty clean. So I even got the right here on the battery cable. You can see right here, ran that loom work all right there. So everything is nice and tidy, easy to clean. No wires really exposed. Now the servo wire, I ran, you guys can see right here. Let me get that out of the way. So I ran it underneath this little plate right here on the Enduro. And with running it on the plate, it goes right underneath the battery, comes right up onto the side of the battery tray right here, and runs in there. And also what's running across there is the wire for the ESC. So that ESC wire comes out, and it's running also right up and around the battery. So it's nice out of the way and hidden. And other than that, let's try it out. Let's get the battery in. Well, all right, let's give it a try. Controller on. Look how responsive that servo is. Wave hi to the subscribers. All right. So you can see how the front tire is turning faster than the rear. That's that overdrive, that on that overdrive for option 2. So that helps it when you're climbing up the hill and going downhill on keeping your, keeping you planted. It helps dig in, so it's not going to slide too much on you. So let's go ahead and now keep in mind, I have not done any programming on this yet. This is the stock setup that this comes with. I do have the programmer here, and I'm going to go through it, and we're going to check and see how things are going. And I will give you guys an update on what I do when it comes to that programming. All right. And go from there based on the stock system and what I adjust. And I will put up a slide at the end of this that shows a picture of what I've got as the basic programming that comes with it versus what I upgraded it to. So when you guys see the run video. All right. But let's see here. Let's see how slow it can crawl with this 16 turn. Look at that. You can see that it is a little jerky, and that's just because it's not really, it's the low end of the scale on that crawler motor. It's only the sport. If we went up to like the elite, or I think it's the pro, edition, that you would get that more smooth transition. But we had this based on a budget build. So the servo, the BSC, I've not changed the output on that. So we can jump that output up. So I might do that and go from there. But it's pretty quick. I mean, you can see. I mean, it is a crawler. We're not expecting this thing to do 70 miles an hour down the freeway. But all right. So it is pretty much complete. Because this kit doesn't come with bumpers, I'm not going to add that into the cost because it's a budget build. But I did order some bumpers for it. I ordered the Vanquish bumpers. So we're going to get those installed with the new body once I get the body painted up, which you guys will be seeing that here shortly of the body paint job and kind of what we did differently with these bumpers installed. So just keep that in mind. If you guys are building this, I will put down the information on this in this video. So this video we're going to talk about. Okay, so the cost of the steering servo, you're looking at about $99. The cost of the tires, they're $32.99 a set. So you got 2 sets of those. The rims were $38.99. The ESC wasn't that bad. It's only like $43.99 for the ESC. And the Holmes hobby motor, $19.99. And you're looking at, and I know I talked about previously the upgraded hard parts that I got for this kit, because the kit was $249.99. And then you had the shock towers. We had the servo plate that came with this lower chassis guard right here. That was another one. I believe that was like $10.99. And then you had underneath the battery box, there's that plate that's, you can see right there, there's that plate. And then also this back chassis support right here was, I believe, $7.99. But I'm going to put links down in the description with an itemized list of everything we got put into this kit. And then I'll also put a slide up at the end that's going to show a breakdown of the total cost for this kit. Now that's going to include the body. I'm not including paint in the cost, but that'll include what the cost of the body was that I purchased for this guy with the total, which is just, it's just a little over my budget of $600. I want to say it was like $630-ish. It might be a little less, but you guys will see at the end of the slide. I don't have the spreadsheet up in front of me right now to tell you what I cost. But I mean, it's a great rig. It's a great rig. It's got some good chassis flex. Shocks are amazing. And I got a couple more videos to do on this bad boy, and on to the next one, the Axial one, and we're going to take them out tomorrow and actually run them. So I hope you guys enjoyed what we've done so far. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.